Today we're gonna learn how to make a paper, and this is how it looks. And we're gonna make a tiny one today because the bigger one doesn't fly as good as the big one. So to make it tiny, fold it in half. And now unfold. Take scissors and then cut on the line. And then you're going to fold it again. And I'll cut on the line. Now it's the folding part. So first we're going to fold it again, and then you're going to see that line there. We're going to do the original paper airplane fold and then fold it to that line. Now we're going to take this and fold it to the line too. And do it on the other side. And make sure they're like even. Now we're going to fold it in half. Now we're going to fold it down. Go to the other side. And fold down. I'm just going to go. And now this is how it flies.